prime rib on a playoff day. All right, guys. Hey, it's a windy day. You can hear my chimes going right there. Yeah, I've got a prime rib. I'm searing it right now. I'm doing a kind of a variation of what I'm calling the 400 method, which is a little bit of both the 500 method and the 400 method. So let me explain that. So I'm searing in here, and as you can see on there, you know, we're at 550. And so it's really super hot. It's getting seared on each side, and I'm doing that about 5 minutes a side, and just getting a good sear on that. After that, I'm going to move it over here at 400, put some probes in it. Actually going to smother it up with some quote-unquote cowboy butter. I'm basically just going to prime rib season it, butter it up real good, tie it up, put it back in here at 400 with some probes, and I'm going to let it sit till it gets to about 110, 115 internal, and that way the carryover usually hits about 125-ish. So that's the plan. Looking good so far. All right, guys, got it seared, got the compound butter on it, and now it's going to smoke at 400 until it's about 110, 115 internal. Golly, guys, that prime rib is something special. Man, I'm gonna keep doing that for sure. You know, it's so easy. You just got to get a sear on the outside and then cook it internally till it's about 110 or so, and then let the carryover cook and do the rest. You know, and if you want to do it the other way around and do a reverse sear, then take it to 110 and then sear the outside after. Either way you want to do it. But man, it's a great Christmas meal, which is why I'm putting this out there now. You know, give me a like and subscribe down below if you like what you see, and we'll catch you next time.